Right here with the chickens. Fixing to open them up and let them out. Let's see if there's any eggs out here yet. Look at here. Our first egg. It's the only one I see. First egg. They are 19 weeks old this week. So at 19 weeks, they laid their first egg. Last night I seen one eating a yolk. So I don't know if it laid like an egg that didn't have a good shell or not. And it started eating its yolk. But I kind of wonder if there'd be another one this morning. Very first egg. It's kind of small, but it's the first one, so they'll get it right soon. But that's pretty awesome. After all this time of dealing with the chickens and losing chickens, this is the start of what makes it all worth it. There's 7 left. We had moose on the porch last night because it was raining, so he wasn't out here to protect them. But we still have all 7, so that's good. It's pretty awesome.
Put a little butter in the pan. It can be melted before you do it.
Yeah. We're gonna cook our first egg and try it by itself. It's got little lines all in it. Like scratches, kind of.
You know if it's good to eat their first egg?
I don't think it matters.
Oh.
I ain't never heard anything about not eating their first egg.
Okay.
"19 weeks in the making." It's been since, what, March?
Yeah. Yep.
Since March. It's July now. It's a small first egg, but it's a start.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Got our butter all melting in the pan. It's a little.
Ooh. Is it about the same hardness as a normal egg?
That is a little softer.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Look at that pretty egg. Good job, chickens.
You ready for the freshest egg you ever had in your life?
Definitely the freshest egg I've ever had. We had a long time for this, Brandon.
Yeah. It better be good.
It's even in the shape of a heart.
Yep, there you go. A heart-shaped egg.
Mm-hmm.
This is free range and 100% organic fed egg. Can't get much better than that. Try it.
Need a fork.
Get the first try.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
And we get 2 forks.
Yeah.
Best egg I've ever had.
Does it taste like anything different, or not really?
It tastes good.
It tastes like a normal egg.
Mm-hmm. Your turn. Good.
That's good.
Tastes like a good egg.
Now finish it. rain part's the best.
Look. I guess the thing that makes it mostly special is because it came from our chickens.
Yeah. And
It tastes the same.
And I just laid it this morning, so.
Whatever. You know that rain part too. Do you want the last bite?
Sure.
It's all yours.
I approve. They just need to start popping out more.
Like 2 a day, 4 a day would be good. No, you need 4 a day.
Yeah, they'll probably have maybe a dozen a day. Who knows? I don't know how many 7 will do.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see all the different sizes and colors.
Yeah.
Which I think we've only got one that will look blue.
We've got one Americano left, which will be blue. The rest of them will be brown like that. But
they'd probably get bigger too as
yeah, they should.
they get a little older.
You'll probably have some really big ones, and they'll kind of even out after a while, after they get used to laying. From what I've seen, this is all new to us. So. But hopefully we'll have some more eggs, and I've got to get their nesting boxes and stuff built, so they're not just laying in the pine chips.
Yeah.
The pine chips. I'll put some nesting boxes in there with some straw. That way we can clean them out and stuff. Cat's over here saying hi.
Hello,
This
Mom.
is Monty. Last video we used to call him Mongrel, but we changed his name to Monty. He seems to be a good little cat.
Him and Minnie play a lot.
Yeah. He's not fond of moose yet, though. He's getting better, though.
He's getting better.
Thanks for watching, and check back next time to see if we get some more eggs.